Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, two graphs A and B are shown. One is the curve y is equals to fx and the other is the graph of its curvature function y equals to kx, right? So identify each curve and explain your choices. Right, so we need to find which is y is equals to fx, which curve has equation y is equals to fx, and which curve has equation y is equals to kx, right? So in this problem we can say one curve is y is equals to fx, right, and y is equals to kx we have already known, right? So this is first curve and this is second curve, right? So is that it has in red, it is we have named a curve as in red line and b curve as in blue line. So let us see uh, for the graph first one, right? So for graph 1, we know that if the curvature is 0, right? If the curvature is 0, then curve is a straight line, right? So from the graph, it is clear that when the graph A meets x-axis, right? If graph A meets x-axis, right? So corresponding to it, the graph B is a straight line, right? So with respect to graph A, graph B is a straight line, right? So that means B will be straight with respect to A. So that means the uh, equation for A will be kx, right? So A is equals to, here we can say the equation will be what? For this it will be curvature, right? So this will be y is equals to kx. All right. So now for B, it should be nothing but it should be y is equals to fx here. Right. So this became very simple, right? This is very simple thing. We only need to understand if the curvature is 0, then the curve is a straight line. So whichever the curve is straight with respect to that another curve, then we'll take it as y is equals to fx. So whichever is curve is in curvy in nature rather than another, as compared to another curve, then it will be having the y equals to fx value. So it should be y is equals to kx. All right. So now moving ahead, if we see the second curve, so let us see from the given graph, B appears to be straight at two places, right? So B appears to be straight, right? This is curve, right? But this is straight. This is curve. This is a straight line somewhat. Here also we can see there is a straight line with respect to this, right? So we can say that the graph A has, okay. So here we can say that two places, but the corresponding to it, graph A does not intersect x-axis, right? So the curvature is not 0. So the curvature is not 0. Therefore, A has a graph y is equals to fx and B has a graph curve, right? I'm sorry, I told it as B as straight line, but it should be y is equals to fx because it seems straight. Here is the curve. Let us see, this is a curve, but it is a straight line. This is a curve, but this is the straight line, right? So that's why whatever is the straight line, it will give a equation for y is equals to fx. So this is for curve A only. So for curve A, it is possible that y is equals to fx, and for B, it should be y is equals to k of x. That is, there is that is curve in nature rather than if we compare with the curve A. So this is how we solve this problem. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.